Wow, watch this. The religious church preaches against increase. They say they don't want to do it prosperity, but at the same time they take up 10 different offerings. Same preacher tell you, well, you follow all these prosperity preachers and all this prosperity gospel, and you come into church on the bus, he got a Mercedes in the back.
Speak, sir.
But my question is, how is it that God, if it's God, can do it for him, and what's happening for him is not happening for you? Touch that neighbor, tell him it's getting ready to happen.
It's getting ready to happen. Yes, sir. Wow. Speak, sir.
Second Chronicles.
Oh my God.
So that money getting ready to flow into that shop like you ain't never seen it.
Oh my God.
All you got to do, when God bless you right now, you got to keep some money in that man's hand.
My. Speak.
That money gonna flow like water.
My God.
When I feel this thing that I got on me now, God is ready to do something supernatural.
Yes.
Now let me get into this. Now go to Exodus. Turn your Bibles to Exodus chapter 3. Because increase is a major part of God's plan for your life. Don't let nobody fool you. God didn't just save you, then get us saved about one of these days, swing a little sweet chariot on the side. You mean tell me I'm gonna starve and struggle the whole while I'm here, and then in the same book you're gonna tell me about you own the cattle on the thousand? That money might be getting large. God will have that money coming in all kinds of ways for you. Some of you young women, y'all will understand you don't need no sugar daddy. You don't need no man to take care of you. Girl, what you think you got? Your head is for more than a hat rack, honey. You got a brain up there. God will give you some creative ideas, but you gonna ball on your own. When you meet your boy ass, he gonna meet you ball. No. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm getting in trouble. Let me get back up on the stage. Somebody you like that.
Speak, sir.
Watch this. Give me 15 minutes. Deuteronomy 6, 1-3. Now these are the commandments, the statutes, and the judgments which the Lord your God commanded to teach you, that ye might do